Hey guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video, we are going to be showing you how we made this beautiful fall wreath using decorative mesh. Stick around. The first thing that you're going to need is at least 6 rolls of the mesh of your choice. We went with 3 of this light brown and a darker burnt brown. And then we got 3 of this multicolor yellow orange, more of a fall color. So we got 6 in total. We could have probably gone for 1 of each. We're also going to be using some zip ties as well as the hot glue gun. This is totally optional. I actually ended up not using it. Then we're going to use either scissors or this cutter. Then we're also going to be needing a ruler that we are going to be measuring out our mesh with. This is totally optional, but we chose to do a sign in the middle of our wreath, so we got that, and then obviously our wreath. And this one is a 14-inch wreath in diameter. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do here is we are going to be measuring our mesh. We did 12 inches. You can do it a little smaller. We thought the 12 inches were perfect, and we actually love how it turned out. And instead of cutting one by one, what we did is we layered all of the same color. So all of these burnt brown and light brown, we went ahead and stacked them all together, and that way we can cut all 3 of them at the same time. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing, measuring them out for 12 inches with our second color choice, for us is this orange one. And we're gonna go ahead and cut them into 12-inch strips all the way until our row is done. And for us, we had about 4 to 6 inches left, and we just put those to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 of each. I didn't put them together, I interchanged the colors. So I would do an orange one, and then I would do a dark brown one, and then an orange one and a dark brown one. And I also interchanged in which of the center rings I would put it. One was on the second one, then one was on the third one. And I went ahead and started doing that all around. At the beginning, it was a little hard until I got the hang of it. It took a few tries, a few of these ribbons to do, but I actually got down to a pattern, and it got a lot easier. And you're going to see me struggling here, but in a little bit, it's all going to work a little smoother. Now there's different ways when it comes to tying down the mesh to the wreath. I opted with the zip ties, and I think once I got the hang of the pattern and it all went really smooth, after a section is when I went ahead and turned it around and went to cut down the zip ties, because these were really long. They do sell smaller ones. I think the next one that I do, I am going to get the smaller ones, just because it's going to be a lot more convenient to work with, and I won't have all the extra zip ties just in the center. And here I am checking it, seeing how I like it, because I am not patient to wait until the whole wreath was done. I wanted to make sure that it was looking okay, that it was looking nice before I went ahead and did everything. And this was the last section that I did. I went ahead and flipped it around and cut off all the zip ties. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the center sign. it was a battle if I wanted it all the way in or if I wanted to kind of leave some of it out. I opted to push it all the way in. My mom didn't necessarily love it. I did. So leave us in the comments which option you would have liked. I like it like this. She thinks it would have been a little better if it would have been pushed out more from the wreath because it will be more visible. And this is how it turned out. Again, I absolutely love it, but I would like your feedback. Let us know in the comments, and make sure, like always, like, comment, and subscribe.